Good morning, students. Chapter 6 Political Party of Civics. Today we will discuss about topic 9, the challenges of money and muscle power and no meaningful choice. Already we have done two challenges. First, challenge of lack of internal democracy within the political parties. Second, challenge of dynastic succession. Today we will cover about the remaining challenge. First of all, growing role of money and muscle power. Then no meaningful choice. Then we will start today the challenge is the growing role of money and muscle powers. This challenge is about growing role of money power in parties, especially during elections. मोस्टली पार्टीज में मनी का, अमीर लोगों का, रिच पीपल्स का लगातार इन्फ्लुएंस बढ़ता जा रहा है. देयर रोल इज इंक्रीजिंग and it is a very big challenge which is facing by the political parties in the present time. Since parties are focused only on winning elections, today each and every party wants to win the election at any cost, by hook and crook. So to win the elections, they tend to use shortcuts to win elections. To win elections, they use the shortcuts. They use the unfair means. Parties tend to nominate those candidates who have or who can raise lots of money. It is a tradition nowadays that party give the ticket. Nominate means party give the ticket. Who will contest the elections on the ticket of the party? Such candidates are nominate candidates. So party nominate those candidates who are having already lots of money, जिनके पास या तो बहुत सारा पैसा है पहले से ही, और who can arrange lots of money to fight the elections, to contest the elections. Rich people and companies who give funds to the parties to tend to have influence on the policies and decision of the party. Mostly rich peoples and big companies in the country give the party fund to the different parties. After winning the elections, the party which got the fund from rich peoples and companies, when this party make the government, then all the decision and policies initiated by that party influenced by those companies and those rich peoples. They give contact in the country to these companies. In some cases, political parties support criminals also who can win elections, because people afraid of them. Because of muscle power, criminals can easily win the elections. So sometimes parties also give the ticket to them, because their ultimate aim is to win the elections. Parties also, so we can say that parties have a big role of money and muscle power nowadays. So Democrats all over the world are worried. The people who think about the democracy, who are the democracy supporter, all over the world, they are worried. They are concerned about the increasing role of rich people and big companies in the democratic politics. It is a major threat to the democratic politics in the world. The last challenge is challenge of no meaningful choice to the voters. very often parties do not seem to offer a meaningful choice to the voters. Mostly आज के टाइम में जितनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं, दे आर फेल्ड to provide a meaningful choice to the voters in the election. In order to offer choice, in order to provide the meaningful choice to the voters, parties must be significant different. सभी पार्टीज की पॉलिसीज, आइडियोलॉजिकल पॉलिसीज, जितनी भी पार्टीज की आइडियोलॉजीज होती हैं, पार्टी की जो पॉलिसीज होती हैं, दे मस्ट बी डिफरेंट. If they will, the all parties policies will be different, ideologies will be different, then voter will have the choice. But in recent years there has been a decline in the ideological difference among parties in most part of the world. बड़ा ज़्यादातर वर्ल्ड के, not only in India, in the different parts of the world where party systems is exist, मोस्टली मेजर पार्टीज के बीच में जो आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस होते हैं वो अब दिखने को नहीं मिलते हैं. सो देयर इज बीन डिक्लाइन, ग्रेजुअली देयर इज डिक्लाइन इन द आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस ऑफ द पार्टीज. टू अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक, दैट टू एग्जांपल्स. द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ ब्रिटेन, सेकंड एग्जांपल ऑफ इंडिया, ऑफ आवर कंट्री. इन ब्रिटेन mainly that two party system is followed in Britain. Already we have done. Read that in UK and USA two party system is followed. The first party is Labour Party in in UK. In second is Conservative Party. But nowadays very little difference between Labour Party and Conservative parties is seen, because they agree on more fundamental aspects. All the fundamental ideologies, all the fundamental issues or the policies of both parties are same. There is only one difference among both parties, that regarding the how they will formulate the policies and how they will implement these policies. Otherwise their policies, their ideologies, their fundamental aspects are same. That's why I am saying that there is very little difference between the Labour Party and Conservative Party in the Britain. Now example of India. India is a multi-party system country. Many parties are there, but more chances to form the government are rest with India. In India, like BJP, Congress, Communist parties, etc. But difference among the major parties on the economic policies, all ideologies regarding the economic policies of all parties are same. Their economic policies have reduced. जो डिफरेंस हुआ करते थे अलग अलग पार्टीज के, बीजेपी की अलग इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी हुआ करती थी, कांग्रेस की अलग, बट अब नाउ डेज हम देखते हैं कि देयर डिफरेंसेस हैव रिड्यूस. नाउ ऑल पार्टीज वर्क ऑन द सेम इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज, दे फॉलो द सेम इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज. ऑल पार्टीज आर इन फेवर ऑफ न्यू इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म्स. सो voters are not having meaningful choice nowadays. Those who want really different policies have no option available to them. The people who want that in elections, who want to see the different policies, the people who want the option, they are not having any option, no option available to them. Sometimes people cannot even elect very different leaders. Even sometimes we have no choice among the leaders also. Because there is a group of leaders, there is a set of leaders. वो leaders है, they used to shift, they keep shifting from one party to another. नेता वही है, एक पार्टी से दूसरी पार्टी में मूव करते रहते हैं, हमारे पास चॉइस ही नहीं है. These are some problems which are facing by these are some challenges which are facing by the political parties and the voters. These are very serious challenges. In next video we will discuss that how can we handle, how can we tackle these challenges. That's all for today, students.